Hey guys, thanks for coming back. I am here in my new 2022 Civic Si, and I am pretty much going to bought my first dash cam ever, this Garmin Mini Dash Cam 2, and I'm going to be basically installing it here on my 2022 Civic Si, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that, where I'm going to mount it, and how I'm going to basically plug the wiring in. So stay tuned so we can go through that. So to start off, you're basically going to need a dash cam of your choice. Again, I chose the Garmin Mini 2, which kind of looks like this. It's very small, very petite, and that's basically the main reason I chose it, is because it's pretty small. It's not really noticeable. It does record in 1080p, pretty decent definition and pretty decent quality from what I've seen from other reviews and online. For my purposes, I don't think I need something super high def or 4K or anything like that, because I work from home, so I don't need to, I'm not on the road as much, so I don't need something to capture or need to spend the money on something super fabulous. But of course, whatever dash cam you use is up to you. I just happen to choose this Garmin Mini Dash Cam 2. Now, the items that you will need is, of course, a dash cam. You also need to make sure that you buy the right memory, a micro SD card. I just chose, I think, a regular SanDisk Extreme Plus, I think 128 gig, that I bought from Best Buy, and you basically plug it in there, you push it in like so, and then it clicks in and you're fine. Things that come in the box is the cam, this little adapter that goes into your place here in your car, your 12 volt, which you plug in, which is how the dash cam is going to be powered, unless you get one of those kits that you hardwire to your fuse box, which you do need if you want to use these cams, most cams, and while you're parked and while your car is off. That way the camera still gets power while your car is off. The other things that come with the box is basically two cords. Looks to be the same kind of cords, just one's shorter than the other, just depending on how you want to wire stuff. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you clean the area that you want to use for installing your cam. I've already kind of done that with some Windex or alcohol, and I've cleaned the area. So now what we're going to do is we're going to probably install it somewhere around here so that it's behind my mirror, so I actually, it's not bothering me in my eyesight. Okay, so I'm going to start pretty much kind of casing my wire through the car so I can get it up to where I want it for the dash cam, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. We're going to start here where the power is. We're going to run the wire through here, the bottom of the glove box. You can't very much see, but underneath here there's like a little bolt or something that you can snag the cord on. So then we're going to continue along here. We're going to go along this crease and then right into this crevice here all the way up, and then we're pretty much going to put the cord in the rubber here. We're going to go all the way up, and then we're going to go right around here so it kind of looks like it's part of the car, because the last thing you want to see is a dangling wire. And then we're going to put it pretty much here in the corner. We're going to go all the way across, and then we're going to put a little bit in here, and it's going to come down, and this is kind of be the area where the dash cam is going to go. As you can see, this is pretty much the general idea. So I ran the cord all through here, back there, up through there. And then you can see the cord here, which is not really there, it's noticeable. But if I tighten it up a little bit and I make it go along this crease, it'll be less noticeable. And then we go down, and then we'll pretty much go all the way in through there. And then and there you have it, guys. Just installed there right in the center. I think it's the best spot so you get the widest view, and you can see there the wire going in, not too much, and I did fix this wire so you can see it goes right along the crease, so it looks pretty nice, really not noticeable at all.